bit of a stretch, part of speech, idiomatic noun phrase. Meaning in English, something that is difficult to believe or accept, an exaggeration. Meaning in Urdu, कुछ ज़्यादा बड़ा चढ़ाकर कहा गया बात जिस पर यकीन करना मुश्किल हो. Sentence in English, saying he can finish the work in one day is a bit of a stretch. Sentence in Urdu, ये कहना कि वो एक दिन में काम मुकम्मल कर लेगा, कुछ ज़्यादा मुबालगा है. Idiom, a bite of the cherry. Part of speech. Idiomatic noun phrase. Meaning in English, an opportunity to try something or gain an advantage, especially when it may not come again. Meaning in Urdu, किसी मौका से फायदा उठाने का मौका, खास तौर पर जो दोबारा ना मिले. Sentence in English. This interview is your bite of the cherry, so prepare well. Sentence in Urdu. ये इंटरव्यू तुम्हारे लिए मौका से फायदा उठाने का एक सुनहरी मौका है, इसलिए अच्छी तैयारी करो. Idiom, a bitter pill to swallow. Part of speech, idiomatic noun phrase. Meaning in English, an unpleasant fact or situation that is difficult to accept. Meaning in Urdu, तलख हकीकत या ऐसी बात जिसे कबूल करना मुश्किल हो. Sentence in English, losing the match was a bitter pill to swallow for the team. Sentence in Urdu, मैच हारना टीम के लिए एक तलख हकीकत थी जिसे कबूल करना मुश्किल था. Idiom, a blast from the past. Part of speech, idiomatic noun phrase. Meaning in English, something or someone that brings back strong memories from the past. Meaning in Urdu, माजी की यादों को ताज़ा कर देने वाली चीज़ या शख्स. Sentence in English, meeting my old school friend was a blast from the past. Sentence in Urdu, अपने पुराने स्कूल के दोस्त से मिलना माजी की यादों को ताज़ा कर देने वाला तजुर्बा था. Idiom, a blessing in disguise. Part of speech, idiomatic noun phrase. Meaning in English, something that seems bad at first but turns out to be good later. Meaning in Urdu, बज़ाहिर नुकसान दा मगर हकीकत में फ़ायदेमंद चीज़. Sentence in English, losing that job was a blessing in disguise because it led me to a better one. Sentence in Urdu, वो नौकरी खोना बज़ाहिर नुकसान था मगर हकीकत में वो मेरे लिए फ़ायदेमंद साबित हुआ क्योंकि मुझे इससे बेहतर नौकरी मिल गई. Idiom, a bolt from the blue. Part of speech, idiomatic noun phrase. Meaning in English, a sudden and completely unexpected event or piece of news. Meaning in Urdu, अचानक और बिल्कुल गैर मुतवक्का वाक़ा या खबर. Sentence in English, her resignation came as a bolt from the blue. Sentence in Urdu, इसका इस्तीफ़ा सबके लिए एकदम से आने वाली गैर मुतवक्का खबर था. Idiom, a bone of contention. Part of speech, idiomatic noun phrase. Meaning in English, an issue or matter that causes disagreement or argument between people. Meaning in Urdu, isa mas'ila jis par ikhtilaf ya jhagda ho. Sentence in English, money has always been a bone of contention in their family. Sentence in Urdu, पैसा हमेशा उनके खानदान में इख्तिलाफ की वजह रहा है. Idiom, a breath of fresh air. Part of speech, idiomatic noun phrase. Meaning in English, something new and refreshing that brings positive change. Meaning in Urdu, कोई नई और खुशगवार चीज जो ताजगी या मुस्बत तब्दीली ले आए. Sentence in English, the new teacher is a breath of fresh air for the students. Sentence in Urdu, नया उस्ताद तलबा के लिए ताजगी और खुशगवार तब्दीली साबित हुआ है. Part of speech, idiomatic noun phrase. Meaning in English, something new and refreshing that brings positive change. Meaning in Urdu, कोई नई और खुशगवार चीज जो ताजगी या मुस्बत तब्दीली ले आए. Sentence in English, the new teacher is a breath of fresh air for the students. Sentence in Urdu, नया उस्ताद तलबा के लिए ताजगी और खुशगवार तब्दीली साबित हुआ है. Idiom, a breath of fresh air. Proverb, idiom, a burnt child dreads the fire. Part of speech, proverb, idiomatic saying. Meaning in English, a person who has had a bad or painful experience becomes cautious and avoids similar situations in the future. Meaning in Urdu, जिसे एक बार नुकसान पहुंचे, वो दोबारा इससे डरने लगता है. जलने वाला बच्चा आग से डरता है. Sentence in English, after losing money in a bad investment, he became very careful. A burnt child dreads the fire. Sentence in Urdu, गलत सरमायाकारी में नुकसान उठाने के बाद वो बहुत मुहतात हो गया, क्योंकि जलने वाला बच्चा आग से डरता है। Idiom, a case in point. Part of speech, idiomatic noun phrase. Meaning in English, a clear or exact example that proves or supports an argument. Meaning in Urdu, वाज़ह मिसाल जो किसी बात या दलील को साबित करे. Sentence in English, her success is a case in point that hard work pays off. Sentence in Urdu, इसकी कामयाबी इस बात की वाज़ह मिसाल है कि मेहनत का फल मिलता है. Idiom, like a cat on a hot tin roof. Part of speech, idiomatic simile, adverbial phrase. Meaning in English, very nervous, anxious, restless, or unable to stay still. Meaning in Urdu, इंतहाई बेचैन, घबराहट में मुब्तला या सुकून से ना बैठ पाने वाला. Sentence in English, he was like a cat on a hot tin roof while waiting for the exam results. Sentence in Urdu, वो इम्तिहान के नताइज का इंतजार करते हुए बहुत बेचैन और मुत्तरब था. Idiom, a chip off the old block. Part of speech, idiomatic noun phrase. Meaning in English, a person who closely resembles one of their parents in character, behavior, or appearance. Meaning in Urdu, औलाद जो आदात, किरदार या शक्ल व सूरत में वालिदैन से बहुत मिलती जुलती हो. Sentence in English, everyone says he's a chip off the old block, just like his father. Sentence in Urdu, सब कहते हैं कि वो बिल्कुल अपने वालिद पर गया है, आदात में भी और मजाज में भी. Idiom, a chip on your shoulder. Part of speech, idiomatic noun phrase. Meaning in English, to feel angry, resentful, or offended easily, often because of past experiences. Meaning in Urdu, dil mein ranjish ya khana rakhna, har baat par narad ho jana. Sentence in English, he has a chip on his shoulder about his past failures. Sentence in Urdu, wo apni mazi ki nakamiyon ki wajah se dil mein ranjish rakhta hai.